Dogecoin holders, welcome back. Are we seeing the numbers that we want to be seeing for Dogecoin right now as we look at the trading volume? A big surge, and this is going to tell the whole story that we are seeing across the board for a lot of the cryptos we do cover on the channel. Is a rebound coming? Okay, I think this is where if you do hold Dogecoin, we're right at that tipping point where I do think that if the market begins to turn, I think Dogecoin will be one of the direct beneficiaries of kind of the metrics that are kind of coming about across the board. It's not just Dogecoin. We just talked XRP a little bit about it, and as we look at Dogecoin right here, right now, I'm going to share with you guys exactly why we could see a Dogecoin rebounding very, very shortly. Okay. But for those of you that are new to the channel, we do talk crypto each and every single day. Welcome back. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join us. And as we look at it, guys, this is what we're going to be talking about. $1 billion, okay, 46% increase in that trading volume that we have seen. Will we see a rebound for Doge? Okay, so as we get into the charts, we'll look at kind of what we have going on. And for the 8th crypto in all of market cap, you can see trading at 1791. It's been a nice little upward move. We have seen a little bit less than most out there in the top 100, as Dogecoin is only up 1.7%. But still, this is a very substantial day for Dogecoin because now we are talking about the 20 cents level once again. I think that's firmly in the cards. It's not financial advice. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell crypto. But I will share with you guys over the last month or so, as Dogecoin was trading, 17 cents was that low point. But we did see a very substantial move here as Dogecoin was at the 14 cents, 15 cents level. And back then, a little bit more so than 2 months ago, we were talking about Dogecoin and how quickly you can make a very substantial, quick 30% if Dogecoin was able to run to 20 cents. We're very close, and I think that's something where you look into kind of what we're looking at. The numbers don't tell the whole story, but Dogecoin definitely does, and I want to tell you exactly why in this video. Before we get down into it, though, remember to check out our friends at BTCC. This is an exchange that I am affiliated with. If you want to start trading on there, 10% bonus in your first-time deposit. There's really no other exchanges that do offer this, and alongside of that, if you are a spot or leverage trader, 40% discount on those trading fees. So if you want to sign up, start trading with BTCC, link is down below, okay? But as we get back into it, guys, this is the big storyline right now, as in the last 24 hours, we have seen the trading volume surge, okay? Over $1 billion according to CoinMarketCap, 1.05 to be exact. That's a representation of a 46% jump, okay? And as Dogecoin's price has yet to fully reflect the volume rise, this is kind of where we've seen a little shy of 2% up on the day, but this is the early sign of renewed buying pressure, and that's what we want to see. That's what's going to drive the market. So if we do get the macro kind of coinciding with what we're seeing on the charts, I think this could be a very good week for crypto if you are playing it in the short term. It's not financial advice. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto. But right now, as the market stands, guys, and with the Fed minutes coming on a little bit later on in the week, Dogecoin is ready. And I think that this is something where you look at kind of June 11th, Dogecoin was trading above 20 cents, falling down to 17 cents on June 13th, before mildly rebounding as we've seen today. But this is kind of where we look into the rebound. And coming out from Ollie Martinez, talking about the TD sequential, okay, and right now there are a lot of buy signals on the 12-hour chart. You look at kind of the support that we have seen at 16.8. Dogecoin must hold above 16.8 to avoid a 30% price drop. I quite frankly don't care. The way I'm trading it is it's a more of a hold, but I'm looking to obtain more crypto that I do believe in the near term, okay, at very substantial discounts. And I think that's what the market has afforded us. And as we look at it right now, guys, it's been very hard to break through 20 cents. I think as we look at kind of where we're looking at the 50 and 200 day moving averages, this is something where as you look into break upon that resistance, right? At 20 cents, if we were able to bust out, say Dogecoin hits 20, 25 cents, I think that if we look at the moving averages, this would suggest that we would have a very strong move, a lot of bullish momentum, and I think Dogecoin could see itself trading again, once again, in the 30, 40 cents territory, okay? And that's kind of where I'm at. I think it's a very, very sharp move here. If we do look at the #1 meme coin in all of crypto, I think that right now in the short term, if you are swing trading crypto, you are looking at the charts, I think Dogecoin has a very good opportunity. Anytime you can obtain Dogecoin 15 cents or under that level, I think that's something where I'm adding Doge. I think that that's I hate using the word lock, but it's something where if you are just going to buy and trade quickly on a crypto, right now Dogecoin is just under 20 cents is just extremely too cheap and discounted, in my personal opinion. Okay. That's how I feel about it. All right. But on the other end of that argument, if Dogecoin does fail to hold 17 cents, if we do kind of see a fall to the next support level, that would be that 16 cents mark. That's where I'd be buying more Dogecoin, but we would fall to 14, 15 cents. And I think that right there is where you really got to trust the floor that we have been talking about on the charts. And I think that Dogecoin can sustain that little bit of a hit, but I think that the big storyline right now and what we came here to talk about is the fact that we have crossed over $1 billion in trading volume. It's not always representative of what we have seen within just solely buying volume, but I do think that right now, as Dogecoin trades under 20 cents, the way the market is currently, I think this is just a very discounted price for the number 8 crypto in all of the market caps. I believe in Doge. I think that right now, like we're talking about, sub 20 cents. It's more so for me, I'm buying under 16, 15 cents. But right now, guys, we're right at that tipping point where I think Dogecoin is going to be making a very quick decision. Are we going to be bullish or are we going to be bearish? And I think that from there, guys, I think we could see Dogecoin reclaim 30, 40 cents even. And then we can have that conversation that everybody wants to know. When will Dogecoin hit all-time highs? Okay. So I appreciate you guys. I wanted to just share with you guys the numbers. A lot of people sleep on the trading volume, but $1 billion, are the whales waking up? I think that's a very strong sentiment here as we kick off the new week, as we have a lot of bullish crypto headlines. If we get a little bit of dovish news from Jerome Powell when the Fed minutes come about, I think that could actually even be even more strong of a catalyst for Dogecoin and all of crypto to continue their ascension. But I think that right now, guys, we're in a great spot. Just got to hold the line. And I think that if we do get some tailwind, I think that that's where the macro will take us over the hump. And I think Dogecoin will trade 30, 40 cents once again. All right. So appreciate you guys all tuning in. Wanted to give you this quick update. If you're new to the channel, though, before you exit, if you want to know more Dogecoin news every single day, all crypto that we do talk on the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join us. It's completely free to do so. Appreciate you guys all watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.